In this video, I'll show you how to use Monday.com for research project management, explaining the key features that make it a solid tool for keeping your team organized and on track. If you're diving into a research project, you want something that keeps tasks transparent, data accessible, and team collaboration smooth, and Monday.com does a lot of that. But by the end of this video, I'll also show you some alternatives that might actually work better for this purpose, so stay tuned. Now, the first thing you need to know about Monday.com for research projects is the platform's ability to break down complex workflows. Research projects often involve multiple tasks, deadlines, and collaborations between teams, and with Monday.com's board layout, you can easily create a visual workflow that keeps everything in one place. Whether you're dealing with experiments, surveys, or literature reviews, Monday.com lets you build custom workflows to fit your specific needs. Next, let's talk about task management. You can assign tasks to different team members and set deadlines. Each task can have its own status, priority, and due date, which is perfect when you're working on time-sensitive research. But keep in mind, while Monday.com gives you the ability to manage individual tasks effectively, it can feel a bit overwhelming when you have lots of small details to track. You might find the interface a little too busy if you're working with lots of team members or ongoing research milestones. The third thing that's great about Monday.com is the collaborative aspect. It's easy to share files, leave comments, and tag team members directly on tasks. This is crucial for research projects where communication and feedback loops are constant. However, while collaboration is seamless, you might run into limitations with document versioning. If you have multiple people working on the same document Monday.com doesn't offer real-time document editing, so you'll have to use third-party tools for that. The fourth thing I want to highlight is the integration capabilities. Monday.com integrates well with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, making it even easier to centralize your project management. But while the integration options are plentiful, you may run into some hiccups with more niche tools that you use for research. For specialized platforms like statistical analysis software or data visualization tools, you may need to get a bit creative with how you integrate everything, and this could slow things down. Now, let's discuss tracking progress. Monday.com has a ton of useful reporting features. You can get a quick snapshot of how much progress is being made, which tasks are behind, and what needs attention. But I do want to point out that this platform may not be the best for advanced data tracking and analysis, especially when compared to other more specialized research project management tools. For research projects that rely heavily on data manipulation, you might find that Monday.com's reporting is a little basic. So, should you use Monday.com for your research project management? It's a solid tool for many use cases, but there are some drawbacks, especially if you need more complex features. If you're looking for a software that's more tailored to research management, there are a few competitors out there that might fit your needs better. In fact, I've got a great deal for you today. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of Monday.com, but I've also found alternatives that might work better for your research management goals. These alternatives also have free trials, and you'll get access to additional benefits when you use our link. So, if you're serious about improving your research project management, you definitely don't want to miss out on this. Check the description below for all the details and grab your free trial with exclusive benefits.